Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the what is AWS. So basically, AWS is Amazon Web Server. This is a cloud-based platform. In AWS, we can store the application and we can easily access that application in any system. Suppose, for example, if you are going to suppose if you create some project and do you want to allow to all from another his PC, that time you can store your application or project details in your web server, and this web server details to provide to your colleagues or your anything, and this friend it will be accessed from your URL. It means there are some process like suppose I have created user login details, and I want to share my product details to anyone. That time I will use that time in this project I am going to use AWS instance. With the help of instance, uh, we uh, we need we will see my project to anyone. Instance means instance is a server. In a server we can run our programs by any machine. Suppose uh, suppose I have created my project in a local host. That time it will not be accessible to any machine, and I am going to use IP address. IP address is located in my instance. Then this IP address I will mention in my URL in my local host machine. That time this will be accessible to any machine. uh, if I build my project from Spring Boot, and I will also build I will also need to be built Angular, and this build it must have to store in Tomcat Apache software in an instance. If you create a instance, so there are these some states like stop state, run state, running state. Uh, if you if you stop your instance, that time there will be change your IP address, and this IP in mention in a in an instance mention in your IP address. It will be mentioned in your Visual Studio Code. That is the instance. And suppose suppose you are using the you are using the Tomcat application, and you will use some port like 9494. That means this port location it will be mentioned in your security. In an instance of security, it will not be allowed to any link from any another device. It means it allows to only your local host. That is the call as security. In security, there are the some methods like inbound rules and outbound rules. If you want to allow if you want to allow by some PC, by another PC, that time there is a must be mention inbound rules and outbound rules. Like there are some settings, and in this project I am using custom TCP, RDP, or all traffic rules in for inbound setting. And outbound setting, uh, if you want to add more rules, that time you can add from your requirement. That's all about security and instance. Thank you.